on 15th of January, Army Day is celebrated with great enthusiasm. The purpose to start to celebrate the Army Day is to give respect to the Lieutenant General of India, K.M. Karippa, who was the first Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Army. Army Day is celebrated all over the country every year at all the Army Command headquarters and national capital with a ceremony like Army parades including many military shows. Army Day 2021. In 2021, Army Day will be celebrated on the 15th of January on Sunday. It will be celebrated as the 69th Army Day all over the country. The history behind Army Day celebration. Why 15th January only? So, it is about 1948. It was the time when India has achieved independence from the British Raj, and the country had been partitioned into two parts, India and Pakistan. After independence, 4 out of the total 10 Gorkha regiments were getting transferred to the British Army, and the remaining army regiments were divided between the newly created nations India and Pakistan. Then on 15th of January 1949, Lieutenant General K.M. Karippa appointed as the Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Army from General Sir Francis Butcher, the last British Commander-in-Chief of India. Why is Army Day celebrated? The Army Day is celebrated to pay respect and the salute to courageous and brave soldiers of Indian Army who have been sacrificed their lives for the sake of the country. Indian Army General K.M. Karippa was succeeded the British Army General Roy Butcher and became the first Commander-in-Chief of independent India. Indian soldiers are always ready to take part in battles at Indian border and natural resources also. They bravely face all the challenges and difficulties in their way to save the nation and people. A celebration of Army Day. Indian Army plays a very crucial role during natural disasters situation in the country as they are completely dedicated to the country to be the war-winning team. On this day, to pay respect and tribute to the sacrificed Indian soldiers, all the ministers and officials gathered at the Amar Jawan Jyoti at India Gate in New Delhi and celebrated the Army Day. After paying homage to the sacrificed soldiers, many excellent shows and events organized by the military and the Indian Army like Army Parade and Military Show to indicate the new technologies and accomplishment in the Indian Army. In Jammu and Kashmir, at the Army Day, many services and bravery awards like Sena Medal, Vishisht Seva Medals, etc. were distributed to the army person. The day is set to celebrate to remember the daring and bold Indian soldier who lost their lives while protecting their nation. Army Parade Day. The Indian Army soldiers perform excellent parade during the Army Day celebration, which include the exhibition of BLT, T-72, T-90 tanks, BrahMos missile, carrier mortar tracked vehicle, 155 mm Sultan gun, advanced light helicopter of the Army Aviation Corps, etc. On this day, to maintain their service and protect the nation from enemies, serving Indian armies take a pledge. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.